Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add auto subtitles to your videos in Canva. First, open your Canva account. Now here, you just need to go to videos, and then here select on the create a new project. Now from here on the left sidebar, you'll then need to go to upload section, and then select the video that you want to add. So basically, you just have to click on that and then click on open, or you can drag and drop. And then you just have to drag and drop that video with audio to your timeline. Now from here, go to apps right here in the left sidebar. And then select on the, or click on the search box right there at the top and type subtitles. Press enter, and then you will find the results. So from here, you have a bunch of options, but we're going to click on animated subtitles. Then from here, just need to click on this start button. And here, make sure that the file type is MP4 video, and then click on the export button. So as you can see, reading your video, so we're going to wait for a few seconds. And then just have to choose the style that you want to use. And you can basically customize this one here. So in this case, I'm going to select this, and then you can customize and edit the font that you want. So you can just select here. So we have a bunch of options. So I'm going to select this one, and also the size and the position. I'm going to select at the middle. Then you can also capitalize all text, and then you can change the font color. So you can choose the bar right here to choose your preferred color. And then once done, click on generate. So again, we just need to wait for a few seconds. Then you'll now go to this page. As you can see, you can play and see your video. Again, you will find line 1 up to line 3, and then click on generate video with subtitles. Again, you just need to wait creating your video. And then from here, click on this add new page. And then as you can see, you can just select the video right here on the left side of your screen. So you can basically select. So here is the sample video, and then click on add to design. Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add auto subtitles to your videos in Canva. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.